welcome to like our very first ever Ordinals Creators Workshop. So this is hosted by Ordzar, Ord Summit, SGNFT creators, and we want to give a very big shout out to AWS first of all for hosting the event venue.
Yeah, the Ordinals Creators Workshop, yes, where we invited like a few guests to come and learn how to describe an Ordinals.
Once again, Lillian, thank you so much for being in space. I was really happy when to see the first Ordinals event happening here, and you guys got a great lineup of people who have been following for a long time.
Oh, the platform is so easy. It's pretty much like signing up an account with any social media platforms, or signing up an account with just another protocol itself. The details will be one on the
Yeah, man, and personally, I want to congratulate all of you guys, especially artists, for now having your art on the greatest monument mankind's ever built, Bitcoin. Congratulations all of you guys for having your artwork now on stage. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.